Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please click the red subscribe button to subscribe our channel and get the updates of the upcoming videos. In the last video, we have discussed about how to send emails through Python code in Odoo. For this purpose, we have added a button, send email. So whenever someone click on this button, the email with the report attachment will be sent to all the attendees of this session. So in this video, we are going to add an automated actions to send the email to the users of this, to send the email to the attendees of these sessions automatically. Um, so for this purpose, let me just show you from the front end how we can add the automated actions and what is the purpose of the automated actions. So first of all, we will have to activate the debug mode. So after activating the debug mode, go to the settings and then under the technical menu, you will be able to see a menu item automations and then schedule actions. So click the schedule actions to see all the schedule actions that has already been created in Odoo by default. So if you remove all filter, you will be able to see only the active automated actions, and if you click the all filter, you will be able to see all the automated actions either archived or active. So these are the automated actions that are already available in Odoo. So let me open any of the automated actions like this one, and here we can see this one is the title and the action name, the automated actions name. This is the model on where we want to execute the methods or to perform some actions. This is the user that will perform the actions, and here we will have to add the duration that after how many days or how many months we want to execute these automated actions, and this means that it should be active or inactive. If it is inactive, then it will not run automatically, but if it is active, then it will run according to the durations. And this is the next execution date that you can specify here, that when it should be executed next. And then number of calls, -1 means unlimited and priority is 5. So here you can add the Python code, and in this case a Python method has been called in this which is defined in this model. So the same way we can create an automated actions and use the Python method that we have already written for the button to send the emails to all the participants of the session. So we can also create it from the front end. Also here we will have to choose the model. For example, openacademy.sessions, this one, and then user, then all this information. And here we have these parameters that are available and we can use it, but here in this case we don't want to use all these parameters and we will just call the method. So in order to check the code behind this uh, automated actions, we can go to the debug icon, click here, and then go to the view metadata in order to find the external ID. Copy it from here and then go to pycharm. Inside the addons, we will have to search for this external ID. So we can see this is the code behind the automated actions. So let me just copy it, and then inside the data directory of our module, we will have to create another XML file with the name ircron.xml. So we can name it whatever we want, and then uh, add the XML tag and encoding, and then open the Odoo tag and then close it, and insert the Odoo tag. We will have to paste this code. So change the external ID upon whatever you want. So I will add it like Open Academy session notification, like this one. Sorry, spelling mistake. And then this is the model that we need to add. It will always ir.cron. So users, attendees notify about session So this is the title that will appear on the screen, and this is the model that we need to add here. So our model in this case is openacademy.session. So let me copy from here. So this is the model name. In order to avoid spelling mistakes, so dot will be replaced with underscore. And if this model does exist in some other module, then you will have to add the module name here. So in this case, this model exists in the same module where we are creating the automated actions. So we are not going to add the module name. So the state will be code because we want to execute some code, and the code will be in order to call the method, we can use this format like model dot send unregistered user reminder. And here we need to call this method like action send uh, session by email. So in order to send the emails to all the attendees, and user is the root user, interval is 1, and then internal is 1, and internal type is days. So we want to execute this job every day, and it should be executed unlimited time. So before creating this cron job, one thing that I need to mention is we need to add a new field, boolean field, so that we can stop sending repeated emails to the same attendees. So let me just add a field like email sent equal to fields dot boolean, and it should be email sent, and default it should be false. So this is it. We have added the email sent, and we need to make some changes inside the method. So we will create a new method in order to make it compatible with the cron job as well as with the button. So action send uh, session by email cron. So here what we need to do, we will have to get first all the sessions for which the email has not been sent yet. So session IDs, so self.env openacademy.session is the model. We want to search all the sessions where the email sent field is false, equal to false. This is it. And then we will have to call this method to send the email for each the session. For session in session IDs, we will use for loop in order to avoid the singleton problem. Session dot action, like call this method, and then when the email is sent, and then here we need to update the email sent field, email sent field equal to true. So only send the email if email if session dot email sent is false. So only send the email if email sent is false, and if email sent successfully, then update the email sent value to true, so that it does not send the emails again and again. So we will add this method in the cron job, and then this will work fine. So let me just and then the next step is to add this XML file inside the manifest file. So data, and then ir.cron .xml. So let me upgrade. Let me just restart the Odoo service and then upgrade the module. So go to apps, and then click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. And after the module upgrade, we will be able to see the change. The cron will be added, and so let me go to settings, and under the technical, and then automations and schedule actions. So here we can see the a schedule action has been added, and here it has all the information action sent by Cron. So all it will execute it every day, and this is the next execution, number of calls unlimited, and this is the model name. So we can run this manually, but before running manually, let me show you here. Open Academy and then session, so that I can show you that what is the status before and then after clicking that run manually. So email send group by email send, and we can see it is false for all the three records. So now let me run the cron job, or you can see the schedule action. Here it is by clicking the run manually. So it will just take a bit of time, and because it will generate the report and it will attach the report with the email, and the email will be sent to each attendees. So it will just take a bit of time. So if we check the logs, we can see here it is generating the reports for each of the email and for each of the attendees. So it will just take some time, and after the email is sent for all the attendees, I will just come back. So the job is completed successfully, and let me go to Open Academy and then sessions model, and then group by email sent in order to check the status. So we can see it is true for all the sessions. So let me go to settings and check the emails if it has been sent for all the attendees. So we can see it has been sent for all the attendees. So we can see all the emails has been sent, and it is in the failed state because the outgoing mail server is not configured. So this is it, how you can add automated actions and perform some actions automatically on the basis of the duration that you sent on the automated actions. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues.